Ever been sent a QR code on your iPhone, but you can't scan it because it's already on your screen? Here's the absolute fastest way to open it without needing a second device. First, we need to enable a hidden Apple feature. Open your settings app. Swipe down to reveal the search bar and type live text. Tap on that. Make sure the toggle is turned on. This allows your iPhone to read text and link directly from your images. Next, go to the QR code on your screen, whether it's on a website, in an email, or in a text message, and take a screenshot. Finally, open up your Photos app and pull up that screenshot. In the bottom right corner, you'll see a small live text scanner icon. Press and hold the QR code and the menu will pop up letting you open the link straight in Safari. It's that easy. If this tip helped you out, hit the like button and check out the next video on screen for more iPhone tricks.